the problem is I kind of think about it as a boot camp problem, right? It's like you go to a, say you go to or even a Tony Robbins class. You go to, and you're off the walls, excited, jumping around the room, walking through fire, and then, a month later you're back down to reality, and it's almost like nothing's the same. And I think the same thing is kind of true for F&I training. You go to F&I training, your PVR is up $600. You come back, and now you're back in the real world. And guess what? Like, you better have remembered all this stuff and be reinforcing it. And it's hard to practice, right? And so we see ourselves as not just like training, but kind of like training reinforcement. So for the F&I manager, it's every conversation you can check to make sure you're up to snuff with how you're doing. And between conversations, role play and figure out and work on your technique. But then for the directors, it's the ability to go and quickly snapshot a bunch of conversations and figure out where your people are without having to listen to hundreds of hours of tape.